I've been to Amalfi with this bike, and now this has to get off because I don't really like it. It's awful. It's good when it has top case, and when I don't use top case because I like just with two bags, it's awful. It's horrible. And today we're going to remove it from the bike. To remove it, you just need the point from the torque screw, like a 20 or a 15 for the bolts on top, and then you need the physical torque screw, because when you have the ones that are here, they are very tight. It's very strong. You can see I'm pulling the bike, not the metal one on this. So the screws are located two here. You can see one is here and one is here, and then one here, one here, one here, and one here, and you should be good to go. So we start with the most easy ones, which are of the top plate, which are 20s, I believe. No, it's 25. You need a 10 to stop on the other side the nut. And the first one's out. And it is composed like this. You have the front bolt, a washer. This is all caved in. Washer and nut. The nut is on the downside. Okay. This came right through, and I have the nut and washer down here. As you can see, that's another one. So then you have and that's one. So you have this plate and then the upper one, which is here. Okay. That's one. This already came out. And that's the other one. The top plate is off. And by off, I mean you can just okay, I forgot two screws. There are two more screws. Hope I don't scratch neither the bike or the car. Okay, one is here and is a 10 or 25, I don't know. As you can see, this came out pretty easy. Okay. And now, as you can see, you can just take this off, because I like this one. And but now we have this one left, just 2 screws, one here, one here. And of course, you have to save all of the hardware you take out. You can take those out. Here goes a washer. And here another one. You can put these away, but these ones you have to put back in, because as you can see, you're missing 2 holes. And you need to fill them, because otherwise it will rust. And it is already rusting a bit. And still. Okay. Okay. Now it's inside. That's good. Just a little more tight with this one. Okay. That's really tight. All done. Let's see if bike starts. Okay, no problem. Thank you. I'm through the day, I'm through the night.